Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I just hope you guys liked my first video, and if you haven't watched it, I'll put the link in my description box below. So guys, talking about this video, by the name only you would have guessed the thing gonna happen in this video, as this is a Miniso haul. So guys, in this video I'll be showing the products I bought from Miniso, and I would just say that Miniso is my personal favorite brand for being a cute, or you can say being adorable and cute, because the products Miniso offers, they are so cute and lovable. Let it be anything of Miniso, like a pen, a pencil, or teddy bears or zippers or anything. They are just so cute products over there, and I would just say, and I would just suggest you guys that you should visit Miniso once in a while after the lockdown. Yeah, sure. So guys, let's get into the video. Oh sorry. Before getting into the video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Let's get into the video. So guys, my first product is this cute wallet. I would just say that I just love this product because of the color. I think so. That is the pastel pink color and this cute face over here. So cute. So guys, the most important thing is this wallet is they offer some space for your important cards, or you can say cards, visiting cards or anything, and they give you some space for the money. I think so that this wallet is very cute. That's why I bought it. So guys, this cost me for rupees, I think so 199 I guess, and I think so by the color and the cuteness of this product, I think so you should buy it too, and it's worthwhile. Okay guys. So guys, my second product is these cute notepads. I would just say that I'm kind of a person who just write down the things going on in her mind, or whatever the thing is, important things or important talks or whatever the conversation is about. So I just write down the keywords or the key points so that I can remember it afterwards. So for that I needed a notepad, so I just bought these two because I just found them very cute, and they gave me a very big space to write. I think so there are many pages in it, and I just love the thickness and the cuteness of these products of Miniso. So guys, this cost me for rupees 149 each. That's all. So guys, my third product is this cute pouch. I just want to say I have been using it for a while, so it's a bit dirty, sorry for that, but I just want to say that I just found this pouch very cute and sweet and very soft. So that's why I bought it, and it offers me a very little space to keep my things, but I just found this bag very cute and I just love it so much. So that's why I bought it, and it costed me for rupees 199 I guess. Yeah. So I just want to say that I just found this very soft. I love soft toys actually, and that's why I just love this soft wallet or a pouch or bag or whatever you say. So that's all. Next one is this. I will say the white color and the dog face and a paw. I just loved it. It's a coin pouch, and that's why it's very heavy right now. Actually my coins just roam around here and there, so I just wanted to keep them together. So I just don't want to rush for that. ये कहाँ पे है या 2 रुपए कहाँ पे है, whatever the thing is. I just put it in one single place, and I just don't want to find them here and there, whatever the thing is. So that's all. So guys, next up is this diary. I just want to say that I just found this diary very cool enough because of the quote over here. Never quit. I just want to say that you guys should never quit, and I just bought this diary for my office work so that I can just get inspired for never quitting my job or never quitting my business or never quitting my studies or whatever the thing is. I just want to say that you should never quit and get inspired by anything you buy. So I probably buy some things that inspire me a lot. So this is the one of them, Never Quit. And it's a 3 years diary, so yeah, I would be inspired by this diary for 3 years, I guess. But it's almost filled, so let's see. So I just want to say that never quit for anything in your life, and I found this very cute. Black color is my favorite too. So guys, this diary costed me for rupees I think so 399. So that is all for this bottle. I don't say that I just found this bottle very cute just because of this and the quote that is a simple life and the choice bottle. I don't want my bottle to take a less amount of space in the bag so that I can put off my documents or the files of my office. So I just take this for my office work because it takes a very less amount of space in my bag and it gives me मेरा पूरा दिन चल जाता है इससे. So that's all. This bottle cost me for rupees 249, I guess. Yep, 249 for this. I got this. I got this. I got this too, and I just got this too. So guys, I just want to say that I just bought all of these from Miso and they're so cute and soft. As I mentioned before, that I love soft and cute products of Miso and they are the softest and the cutest. So yes, I just want to say that I just bought this and this, that is rabbit and a penguin for rupees 299, I guess. Yes, 299. They are so cute. It's lovely. I bought these two in different colors because I just found them both very cute in different colors, and there's a difference, that is इसके ये है and इसके नहीं है. So yeah, so it's for them. They costed me for rupees 399 and I just found them very cute and soft and that's why I bought it, and they are kind of a pillow for me at night. Yep. And I just hug them all and I just go to sleep and I rest my right night. Just love them. Yep. So guys, this was it for the video. I just hope you guys liked it, and if you guys liked it, please press the thumbs icon and please guys do subscribe to my channel, and yes, thank you.